4 Strategies of Influence. Dr. Tim Baker has published a book, The New Influencing Toolkit, to discuss and help people understand the different strategies we use to influence people. Being a part of the education world means we are constantly in a place to influence others, and understanding the psychology behind it could really help make a difference. Influencing is the lifeblood of leadership. We are all in the business of influencing and being influenced daily. Baker, 2017. There are 2 styles of influence and 2 approaches to take that create 4 main strategies. The 2 styles are push and pull, and the 2 approaches are logical and emotional. This can best be visualized by using this table. Dr. Baker describes the difference in the push and pull styles by stating that a push style is a direct, assertive way of getting your point across. Using a pull style is an indirect, subtle way to persuade others. They are both highly effective in the right circumstances. The difference in the approaches is described as either using logic, numbers, data, facts, to make a rational argument, or using an emotional approach to tug at the heartstrings to get your way. These styles and approaches create 4 strategies of influence, investigation, calculation, motivation, and collaboration. The investigator is someone who likes to use facts and data to persuade people of something. This strategy falls under the push style and logical approach, and they tend to come across as pushy people. They are very direct and structured, and believe that we need to present information in a logical, rational way and back up your claims with facts. This leads to a more credible argument. The calculator falls under the pull style and logical approach. When someone is using this strategy, they like to promote the positives of a proposal and highlight the weaknesses in a current position. In education, this strategy is often used when someone in a leadership position is proposing a change initiative. To get people on board, they need to first point out why a change is necessary, and then how the initiative will help solve that issue. The motivator falls under the push style and emotional approach. They are big picture thinkers that link a cause with a compelling vision of the future. Motivators often have a way with words and can define a simple and convincing vision. Many influential people would fall under this category because they are good at making a lasting impression on people and appeal to them emotionally. Anyone running for president or applying for a position in leadership would need to incorporate at least some of this strategy to show they work toward a vision that will better the system they are leading. In this case, something as large-scaled as our country to as small as a single school building. Having a vision is a powerful influencing tool. The collaborator falls under the pull style and emotional approach. They persuade people by involving them in the decision. Collaborators are great team builders. They engage people's hearts and mind. This is a great tool to use to engage learners in any subject. When students are engaged and feel like they can take ownership of their learning by making their own decisions whenever possible, their outcomes are typically higher. All of these strategies can be used in the education field, not to manipulate, but to inspire and influence students. Educators are leaders by nature, and using any of these 4 strategies of influence can be very effective for student outcomes and building lasting relationships.